Percaya? Tidak.
Hue Festival, woo! And amongst all the craziness of Toi Oho Hue. Ai. E te whānu, whae te maturanga kia marama, kia whae taki nā mahi katoa, tū maia, tū kaha, aroha atu, aroha mai, tātou ia tātou katoa. Pūturu whakamaua kia tīna.
Tīna.
Huye.
Tākie.
Kia ora whānau, welcome to the space. Thank you for coming and putting this in your calendar for something important for you to be part of. Myself and my loving partner, we wanted to host whānau and friends and share knowledge and share each other's special gifts or kōrero that they want to share with each other in a safe space where you can feel valued, respected, and most importantly feel aroha in this time of uncertainty. So all my awhi and aroha to you. There you go. And thank you for those that have helped to make today happen as well.
Hurinoa, kia tātou te hunga ora ko tai mai tēnei rani ātanga. Ko tēnei te kaupapa o te Hue Festival, tēnei tuatahi, kia whakapō ngā hākamo o tēnei kaupapa. Tēnei mihi aroha kia koutou no te whānau o maunga taniwha i Rakau, me toka tō mahi kaha kia siakina te wai Māori. Tēnō kia tātou e hui hui mai nei, kia ako ngā mea e whāna ki ngā hue, ki te wai Māori, ki te hitori o tēnei rohe. Ai, ko tēnā te wawata, kia whakapakari tātou i o tātou mōtutanga. Whakaro nui tātou ki te ora o te ao. Hea hau he te paku karakia, māko e tuku ngā kupu, mau e whakahokia ngā kupu. Tātai? Ko tēnei o te hue. Pū te hue.
Pū te hue.
Kia tupu tupu nui koe.
Kia tupu tupu nui koe.
Ka pōtaka ngā ringa ringa.
Kia pōtaka ngā ringa ringa.
Kia ahu ahu nui koe.
Ka aho ahu nui koe. Ahu ahu.
Akiroko. Akiroko. Akiwa. Akiroto. Akiwa. Kia ora tātou.
Kia ora. How's it feel to be a festival owner?
Beautiful.
Awesome.
Abby, look, come put this on. Hi, Fanny.
Hi.
How's it going in here? Kia ora, gentlemen. Kia ora, gentlemen. Ooh, look at that. Rorongo right here. Kapai. Oh, and the massage gun. High tech, high tech. Nice. Oh, ukulele. Yeah, nice. Ah, cool. Lady ora.
Of unlimited potential. Te tiri nei,
Te tiri nei,
I quiver in the might of Mother Earth. Te popo nei,
te popo nei,
my pillar stands strong. Mō tōku reo,
o tōku reo,
to the essence of my reo. Mō tōku mana,
o tōku mana,
for my inner strength. Mō tōku ihi,
o tōku ihi,
for my internal force of energy.
One of the things that we looked at from our whānau, from a hapu lens, and then from a hapu, from a community lens, was what are some ways that we can reinvigorate our voice.
And so then so that was us by the day, and then by night it was eeling. That was our thing, that was our jam. It was just like, bro, who can catch the biggest eel? It was just like constantly, like whether we were spearing them, using hinaki or using handrails. That's what we love to do, and our uncles and aunties loved it because we always kind of turned up at their house with some smoked eel or some form of pie for them, and so it was a win-win. And you know, I look back and you know, I look at it now and I realise, you know, the awa was our kaitiaki essentially as kids, and then now hearing the bro hone and hearing what they're doing for it, and like I think about it now, like yeah, it's our turn to be the awa, the kaitiaki of the awa, and make sure, you know, that it's here for future generations. Because
I'm a man. Living off the land, it's a given. My rhythm is God-given, I do my dance. I'm a regular goof, I never show my stance. You know the man, I want to stop, I got that open plan. I dilute, but the proof is in the show of hands. I stay hot when I'm cold in the winter, never will wither. I'm only gone till November. I'm no pretender, grow on my legal tender. Keep my eye on a bullseye, never off the center, no. I wanna wake up in your bedroom. I'll be on time as long as I can stay. I wanna be the one you're next to. Cause baby, it's alright, cause I can find my way. So forget it, we gon' rock it. This is our story. I walk through the hills, she's beginning. Walk through the hills, she moves through the hills. And she's like a beauty, you can't see me bending. And out every morning, I'm getting her back.
That one's mine.
No, Tira.
Could I need to cut them off?
Come make to me. To a kanama.
Oh, come on, please. If I want to iron top. Okay, take it, Tira. Take it, putty.